Hello people, today I'm going to be showing my Dirty Boost pedal. I've made quite a few of these little Dirty Boosts, but they seem to sell fairly quickly. These Dirty Boosts are based off of an LPB1, but I have put diodes in the circuit to make it more dirty. And I will be doing a demo of one of my LPB1 clones. They are available on YouTube, so I'm making videos for all of my Reverb and Sweetwater Gear Exchange customers. So what we're going to do now is we are going to hear my clean tone, and we're going to see how this pedal affects the tone. And I hope you enjoy the demo. So, as you can hear, it has quite a bit of a volume boost. It's just a kind of a mild, dirty boost. It sounds good when you hit your tube amp really good with it. Uh, so that's pretty much my dirty boost. You can use it for a lot of things. I wish I was playing a Strat right now because it would sound better with a Strat.